Once upon a time there was a curious white cat who lived in a small house on the edge of a great forest. The cat was always looking for something new and exciting, and one night his curiosity was rewarded. As he peered out his window, he noticed a strange light in the sky. It was the crescent moon, shimmering in the night sky. The cat was enchanted by the beauty of the moon and decided to find a way to get closer to it. He searched everywhere, but nothing seemed to work. Then, on a whim, he decided to try climbing a tall tree near his house. After much effort, he was able to reach the top of the tree and was rewarded with a magnificent view of the crescent moon. The cat was mesmerized and decided to try and get even closer. He jumped from the tree and landed on the moon. He walked around, taking in the beauty of the night sky and all of the stars. The cat, mesmerized by the beauty of the moon, decided to explore further. He walked across the moon's surface, marveling at the stars that sparkled in the night sky. Suddenly, the cat heard a voice coming from the sky. It was a gentle, melodic voice that seemed to be calling his name. The cat froze, unsure of what to do. He took a few steps closer, and the voice grew louder. The voice belonged to the moon, and it was telling the cat of its great power. It said that if the cat was brave enough, he could use the power of the moon to make his wildest dreams come true. The cat thought of all the things he wanted to do and all the places he wanted to explore. He was tempted by the moon's offer, but he was also scared. He knew that it would be a great risk to trust the moon, so he hesitated. The moon understood the cat's fear and told him that he did not have to make his decision right away. It told him that it would be there when he was ready and that he could call on its power whenever he needed it. The cat took a deep breath and decided to trust the moon. He vowed to use the moon's power only for good and to make the world a better place. The moon smiled and told the cat that he had made a wise decision. The cat set off on his journey, visiting places he had never seen before and meeting people who welcomed him with open arms. Everywhere he went, he used the power of the moon to help others. He used it to bring rain to parched lands, to heal the sick, and to bring joy to those who were sad. As the cat traveled, the moon watched him from above, proud of the good he was doing. The cat's journey lasted many years, and he eventually returned home, wiser and more content than ever before. The cat never forgot the power of the moon, and he continued to use it to help others. He shared his story with everyone he met and taught them how to use the moon's power for good. The cat and the moon became legendary, a reminder of the power of kindness, courage, and friendship.